Wow.
Wala talaga.
Oh, wait.
Sorry guys, hindi talaga parir.
Ano? Sasuot niya stripes na red. I thought it was green na. Hi guys!
Good luck sa'yo, Erwin. Gumising ka na, panoorin mo ako.
Oh, where's your hand?
Thank you.
Where's your arms?
Okay, diretso tayo sa round 2.
Ay!
Mas galingan mo pagkilatis para
Faster!
mo may uwi. Kasi pag nagkamali ka,
Great job! So cool.
Dito sa round 2,
Where's your arms?
may kinalaman
Oh wait, not yet done.
ng kwentuhan. May mga double dance.
Stand up properly.
Kilala sa'yo. Double dance. Pasok. Talong naman ha.
You have to go? Oh, stand up properly.
Right, sabi.
Eto na.
Wow, Nana, it's so cute. Ka-jumper. First time yata ito, no? Na, stand up properly. Wait, tayo. Look po.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
Kasi jump pa na.
Next, it's
I go down. Go down. Down, down, down. Jump, jump.
I'm 40 years old. Lean as you go. So clean, so good.
Great jump.
Okay, narito
Look,
ang
yung jumper niya. Oh.
Ang tanong.
Pogi. Bagong new haircut and new jumper.
Sino sa tingin mo ang iho-holding
Ay, nahulog pa.
pagpipilian mo?
Huh? You like your new jumper? Then I will put his toys here in the pocket. Huh?
Artemis.
Where's the pickup truck?
Si Joshua.
Me. We're going to Dubai. And you will buy
Okay, Mika.
Ato.
To the side. Timer.
Hi! Andito kami sa basement parking ng Al-Ain Mall. We're waiting to nanay and lola mami. They're buying around fruits for the new year. For the new year. I love you. Where are you going?
In Oxford
Where are you going? You're going to
to buy toys.
where?
Toys.
Where are you going to buy your toys?
Hector Peter toy.
Where? Where are we gonna buy this?
This one
In
Dubai.
in Dubai pa?
Yes.
We're going to Dubai
And
to buy your excavator toys?
yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's very far, kuya. Where can we find the excavator toys? Dump truck is okay.
Yes.
Mixer truck?
In here in Party Mall.
Yeah. No, we're not in Bodyboard.
Let's buy mixer truck.
Okay. Don't do that. Oh no. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Papa.
Ay, alhamdulillah, andito na kami. Ya, kuya?
Yes.
Gusto pala. Andun sila nanay sa loob. Ayan, si Baby Ismail andito. Si Kuya Yusuf. Yeah? We're here na.
Tatay. Yes.
Let's wait for them to Lola, Mommy, and Nanay. Wait lang namin silang mag-check-in. Tapos, prepare kami sa basement. Ayun. Alhamdulillah. Now it's 2 p.m. Exactly 2 p.m. UAE time. December 31. Ayan. Konting oras na lang. Welcome 2025 na, guys. So, alhamdulillah. At may blessing na dumating sa aming 2024. Si Baby Ismael. Although, tinamaan kami agad ng hailstorm nung February. Ayan, February, grabe yung hailstorm na yan. Tapos the next month ata flood in Dubai. So madami rin nangyari nitong 2024. Isa which is yung hindi natin makakalimutan, yung hailstorm. February yan 2024 hailstorm. At alhamdulillah si baby Ismael naman is December 7, 2024. So yun guys, we cannot tell what is the surprise ahead this coming 2025. So definitely no more baby Ismael, yeah. Or we're going back to Philippines for vacation. Ayan, because Kuya Yusuf is he wants to ride airplane. What? Ayan. Gusto niya sumakay ng airplane daw. Kasi dito nga ang daming airplane, maya't maya yung airplane. Where is nanay? Ayan guys, good luck. Happy New Year from Manalo family, from Kuya Yusuf, from nanay, and from tatay, and baby Ismael. And inshallah, maging maganda ang ating 2025. Okay, check it out. Si nanay, tuwan-tuwa. Si Lola Mami. Hi Lola Mami, how are you? Si Kuya Yusuf. Ayun, sleeping na. Bako kami ng bako kami ng unan niya tsaka ng kumot. Sobrang lamig kasi. Ayan na. Dito kami sa chineke ni Tita Linlin. Ay! Tulog din. Nag-charge si dito yung kwarto ni Lola Mami. Ayan. Tapos dito si Tita Linlin. Dito kami. Ayan. So from here, tanaw din namin yung yung clock tower. Ayun. Ano na, 4:25. At yung isang room malaki. Ayan. Nakalagay yung car seat. Ayan, dito malaki. Malapit to sa Dubai Creek. Ay. Uy, ako pala yun. Hi guys. So, kadarating lang din kasi nung in-order ni Habibti sa Tanaba. Ayan. Oh,
Hi sir,
hello.
how are you?
Good. How much?
It's 91.
91. You accept card? No.
Golden card sir.
Gosh. Here, brother.
There.
Oh, ayan na. Oh.
Diba?
May gold coins ba kayo? Wala eh. Magkano to? 50.
Saan mo pinili yan, te?
50.
Sa baba din. Kompleto kami.
50 cent. Nandito si 50 cent. Oh.
Andun.
Tapos, may molo ba kayo? Kami. Oo nga. Tapos may puto. Puto seko. Wow, wow, wow.
Hindi kasi meron din silang...
Meron ba kayong nakin donut? Happy New Year! Made in China. Oh, meron ba kayong salmon na may asparagus?
Mami, iset up natin.
Tsaka blueberry. Ay, andun pala yung nakaset up namin. Ayun oh. Si Kuya, kanina patulog to.
May isa pang pinggan.
Kanina patulog to si Kuya. Pati yung isa tulog din. Ano yan, Tilin?
Yung matira ang molo.
May natira pang molo. Oh, wow. Kasi si Bunso tulog din. Tulog na tulog yung mga angkan ko. Mga Habibti. Si Habibti, Gutong Jones na. Si Kuya, oh.
Asan yung induction? Pwede na magpahingin dito dun eh.
Meron pa, oh. Wow! Si Lola Mami, oh, may heart. Mami, Happy New Year po.
Happy New Year.
Yan, oh. May prepare na.
Kita po.
Oh, ang dami naming ano, oh. Ano bang tawag dyan sa tart na yan, Mami?
Egg tart.
Egg tart. Egg tart. Tart. Egg part.
Egg tart.
Ayun. Ah, siya. Let's go. Let's go. Nagpapasikat siya kay Tita Linlin niya.
Those.
But I want twinkle twinkle.
No, I want to listen to.
Although dito
Nagpapasikat.
Jack and Jill.
5 little monkey.
5 little monkey jumping on the bed.
Five little monkey jumping on the bed. One bed down and monkey.
Bump his head.
Monkey said,
Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, hello.
Nay, no more monkey jumping on the bed.
Pero hindi naman.
May tarotot si Tita Linlin.
Pala
to
nanak everyday.
6 pieces. Open natin to tapos try it with
You don't feel cold anymore?
dance.
Dance, dance, dance.
What kind of dance is this, Kuya?
Hindi na kami may dance na.
Oo nga.
I'm dancing down.
Gugulatin natin si Kuya Yusuf.
Yeah. I can
Pag
always go
pinag-usama yan,
back
makikigaya yan.
Ah,
Huwag sa tenga.
to
Baka magulat din tong isa.
nagulat siya. Nagulat siya. Come, I will tell you something.
sa tenga. You like that?
This is fine.
Oo, nagdilat. Ano?
I will make a horn.
me also.
Blow.
Blow, blow, blow.
Blow.
Wow!
Blow.
Horn!
Ah.
See?
Blow, blow.
Horn!
Blow.
Blow. Like this.
With air. Ah. Putin niya ma. Blow.
Blow.
Walang tigil ang ulan.
Sorry.
Hindi niya ma-blow. Ano? Blow it, ha?
Blow.
Ah. Crazy. Baby smile also gulat, ha?
No.
Scared?
Blow.
Now we're going out at 11 p.m. na. 11 p.m. na. Ayan. 11 p.m. na. Labas kami. Punta kami sa sa creek.
Lolo, makita niyo.
Ayan. Nanood kami ng Bioworks. Doon yung bumili, Habibti.
Ay, so
Go.
funny.
Kulit. A-jumper. Punta kami doon sa kabila kasi doon yung mas kita closer yung Al-Sip doon tsaka yung Burj Khalifa. Ayan. Kailangan namin tamuin. Pero yung Alsip, doon pa yun sa kabilang ibaryo pa. You like a fountain? Go, go, go! Kami doon sa kabilang side. Yan yung bridge. Yan. Yes, yes. Go, go, go! Amps na gusto niya eh. Yung white. Oh. Yan.
Oh, Nico. Oh.
Ah! Ayan, dito na kami aakyat sa lift. Papunta dun sa kabila. So, since na may trolley kami, gamitin namin yung yung lift. Ayan. Tapos may bar din pala dito sa kabila. Albandar Rotana. Diba? Let's go in the lift. Ayan. Jeep. Wow, we're at the bridge. Kuya Yusuf, look at that. See the fast cars? Wow. Anong lugar to, Tilin? Creek ba? Oh, nagbe-blurred. Bus. Here, on the left. Where's your left? Whoa. Going down. Where's my Pogi? Pogi, where are you? Here, Kuya. Kuya, here. Come here. Slowly, Let's wait to nanay.
Slowly.
Nakross na sila. Tawid na kami dito sa kabila. Ay mga boat. Ayun yung yung gigantic Christmas tree. So dyan yung gaganapin yung
Not there.
yung fireworks.
Not there.
Kuya, come here.
There.
A monster is there. I don't like it there. Stay with us without the monster, yeah? Yes po. Wow. A concrete truck. Oh, watch your step. Watch out, kuya. Ayun, mga baka. Madami-dami na ring tao dito sa may creek. You know, tatay don't know how to swim. We will drown together. Wow, see, ito yung mga nila boat. Ngayon ko lang nakita din to. Later. Oh, ito. Ayan ang sinasabi ko na.
What do you want?
Later I will give you the bike.
You want to go there in the water? Ha? Sige ka, ayan.
Tinatakot nila si Kuya Yusuf.
Sige ka.
Ulit eh. Mga bangka dito. Ang cute ng mga bangka, Abibtino. Ito yung panghuli ng malalaking isda. Na? Sa crab. Ito, ang galing. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Tama, sa crab, Kasi may butas siya, ayun, Gusto yung ginagamit nila. Ayun pa,
Wala na sa tayo. Or dito na lang.
Ayun. Dito lang din sila, ayun.
Dito lang, Yusuf.
Where are you going, kuya? Dubai Chambers. Ayan. Dito yung ano, yung Kalipa. So yung kabila is creek. Ayan. So ang dami ng tao, guys. Now it's 11:45, 15 minutes more. Ayan. So ang dami nang nagdadatingan tao from there to here. Tapos meron ding ano, mga tumatawid from here to here. Meron pa doon, ayun, daming tao doon. So they're gonna watch also the fireworks. So ito ilang batch na syempre na tumawid yan, no? Oh, yan si Nana. Si Kabayan nagdala na ng ano, binana niya yung speaker niya dito. Dito siya nag-iingay. Si Kuya Yusuf. Hi Nanay, Happy New Year po.
What's coming? Fireworks.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the fireworks in 15 minutes. Yeah, in 15 minutes. Okay. Nako, makaka-copyright tayo. Bye-bye. Ayan. Uy. Ano na oh. 7 minutes na lang oh. Okay po. Dami ng tao. Wow. Ayan, si Nana.